Well, hey again, everybody. This is Bob from Hot Rock Central again, and we're going to be redoing the test, the Epsom salt test that I did previously to find out and verify if that'll actually work again. If you saw the last video, you'll remember that on this battery here, we had one cell that was 75% and another cell that was 50%, and this was after this battery's been equalized multiple times, and that's the best I could get out of it. Well, after putting the Epsom salt in, this 75% came up to 100%, and the 50% came up to 75%. I still have to give it another equalization to see if I can get that 75% up to 100% with the rest of them. But today, what we're going to do is go to this next battery here, and this battery's 75% all the way across. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to test out to find out, well, first of all, I'm going to Epsom salt just 2 cells only, and give it an equalization test, and then we're going to go back and find out if the 4 that I didn't do stayed at 75% and the ones that I did do come up to 100%. And if that happens, then that'll verify this test actually works. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you with my hydrometer. I test each cell right in front of you, show you that each one of them is 75%. And then we'll come back and redo it again after the equalization, find out what happens. So anyways, here we go. First cell. Okay, 3 are up, 1 is down, 75%. Same thing there. And same thing there. Same thing there. Is that coming up on camera? Yeah, it is. Okay. Yep, same thing there. And same thing there. Okay. Well, I'm going to go ahead and spare you from the mix-up of the Epsom salt and the battery acid. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill up this cup here, probably about a little more than half, mix up some Epsom salt in it, and do that to both of these cells here. And we'll come back after the equalization, give it a retest, and see what we find out. Stay tuned. Alright, it's 24 hours later, so let the battery cool down, get a more accurate reading, and we'll dive in now and see what happened with that equalization test. And we'll start off with the first one here. This is the treated cell, as you remember. And, well, yeah, we got 100% out of that one. Good deal. This was the other treated one, and well, it looked like it wanted to get up there to 100%, but the ball's dropping slowly, so it's improved some, but not dramatically, which is not good news to me. And here's an untreated cell. And that looks to be about 100%. So that one came up. Well, doggone. Alright. Well, that one there is, it came up, but then it slowly sank down. So it had some improvement, but nothing real dramatic there. Yeah, let's see. Well, that one stayed down, didn't even come up, so no improvement on that one. And, well, the ball came up a little bit, sank slowly, so there's some little bit of an improvement in that one. All right, Alright, well, what this indicates is that this Epsom salt test isn't conclusive. It didn't prove that Epsom salt is wildly effective in restoring a battery. So that's not what I was hoping to see and report to you all, but that's just the way it is. So anyways, there's one other question I want to ask the audience before I end this video. Maybe there's some battery experts out there that'll watch this, but let me switch over to getting this camera out of the holder here, and I'll be right back. All right, this is a question I want to pose to you guys out there that might be battery experts. Now, if you watched my earlier video, you saw that I had varying degrees of testing capacity on some of these batteries. I came up with 8 batteries that are 100%, and then I've got 10 batteries over there that are 75%. And my question is when these things are fully charged at the end of the day and the sun goes down, they're no longer getting a charge, will these 100%ers try to keep on charging these 75ers and lose some of the energy doing that rather than going into my solar system and giving me power for it? So that's a question I don't know how to answer, and I can't find any information on. So if anybody knows anything about that, put that in the comments section. I'd like to find out more if anybody knows. But anyways, I guess that's the end of this video, and I'll have another video coming up shortly with something different and hopefully interesting. See you all later.